644 days on your halving fear and greed index at 42%, which is fear. Kind of fear is going down, so going to the mid ranges. And Bitcoin is currently trading at 23.8k, which is pretty high compared to the previous episode that we were making. It was like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, kind of bouncing from the 20k support, kind of range support, so that's nice. Also, MACD is finally finishing the red phase of on a weekly time frame, which is again can give us some bullish momentum. It's already giving us some bullish momentum, and the biggest bullish momentum is happening on Ethereum. If you're gonna look, it has much bigger, wider range of red phase of MACD on Ethereum, which can give us much bigger momentum, bullish momentum, and it already give us some big momentum. Same goes to the BNB and a lot of actually crypto, since all of the crypto market was following each other. I mean, all of the cryptos was following each other. So yeah, the current resistance for us is still 30k on a Bitcoin. On Ethereum, I don't know, 2k probably, but I'm not that interested on Ethereum, to be honest. Mainly focusing on the Bitcoin, the biggest. So yeah, but Ethereum is kind of going up on the dominance, currently sitting at 19.1%. BTC dominance is obviously, because of that, is going down, currently sitting at 42.4%. And surprisingly, BNB, Binance coin, is going up on a dominance, currently sitting 4.3%. Recently it was below the 4%, but currently 4.3, and it's maybe it was about to go even above it. Maybe to the 5% would be pretty interesting to watch, but again, still they currently focus on a Bitcoin. So it's pretty much all TA news for today. Let's move on to the, all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. And today we're getting some pressure from SEC, from lawmakers on crypto, since crypto is kind of at the lows. Volume is also pretty low, and not a lot of the people paying attention to the crypto. So all of the lawmakers are putting as maximum as possible pressure on the crypto, since they will not receive that big of a response, like negative response from a community, because again, volume is pretty low. So yeah, SEC first news. SEC chairman publishes video outlining plan to regulate crypto trading platforms. And another US lawmaker demands answers from Apple and Google on measures against fake crypto apps, like mostly against the scams, which is pretty good one, but still some pressure there. And pretty positive news, Santander to offer crypto services in Brazil in the coming months, which is pretty good. So the CEO, which is Mario, made the announcement in an interview with the local media, stating that the company will still seeking the best way of getting in the crypto service market, but other banks and fintech organizations already offering crypto services in Brazil, so they want to grab some stake of that. Also, the recent bill, $280 billion for chip manufacturers. Again, the whole point of this bill, United States of America had pretty big exposure in the manufacturing in China, and they want to diversify it to put something in states. So they kind of making this bill $280 billion bill, and apparently bill provides for blockchain special position in White House science office. So there's going to be some of the positions for blockchain specialist, which is pretty interesting. So yeah, it's pretty much all news and TA for today. Obviously hoping for the 30k tests, and 30k resistance breakout would be extremely nice, would be extremely positive for the Bitcoin. And obviously waiting for MACD on the weekly time frame to turn to the green phase, and maybe having much bigger bullish momentum, even it's already having some bounces, but again, still hoping for a bigger one. So yeah, to the moon.